Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw's Shop. So you're looking at a solar panel kit. Well, that's what I've got here, solar panel kit from Voltset. They sent this to me and asked me if I would review it. So I'm going to review it, and what we need to determine first is, well, what's in the box? What do I get when I order a solar panel kit? 20 watt monocrystalline solar battery charger and maintainer. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, there we go. Alright, we have our controller. Alright, we've got our controller. It's physically attached to the back of the solar panel with these fairly standard plugs. You can buy some extra, but it's got a good long cord here. Got a little instruction manual on how to use it. Comes with a bracket for, yeah, it's going to mount right there like that, and that'll set that. Oh, y'all want to see the other side? Okay, let's do that. Here's the solar panel side, and what we're talking about here. So what we got, 14 inches and 12 inches. So it's not exactly square, but it's close enough. So there you go. That's what's in the box. The solar panel, the bracket to hold it up with. You got your controller, and it comes, look, that controller comes off, okay, or separates there. And you got you some clips for your battery so you can, in fact, charge the battery. So you get that plugged into that. And you get the controller plugged into the back here. And there you go. That's what you get in the box. Looks like it's got one extra set of cable there to plug in and to physically mount to battery or something. Small boat battery, small lawnmower battery perhaps. So there you go. Voltset solar panel, 20 watt, 12 volt. Hey, if y'all looking for a solar panel, give this one a look. Might be what you need. Might be exactly what your situation calls for. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.